Hello, this is Alterman 156 standing here in the hillside parking lot with the Julius M. Butch Chemka Pool in the background on this dreary, rainy, cool Monday, August 7th, 2017. The pool was open early this morning for the early morning swim, but closed by 2:30 since it's started raining late in the morning and it didn't let up. So I didn't get any further swimming in. The water temperature is now sitting anywhere between 75 and 76 degrees Fahrenheit. A little cool. I'll probably be here tomorrow morning doing the early morning swim with the wetsuit. I expect to see that. Yeah, I see somebody here who pulled in the parking lot in a black Volvo station wagon. And yeah, well, the person's going to be walking his dog. I can see the dog came out of the driver's side door. Hopefully I'll see everybody here tomorrow. Looks like much better weather. The temperature's at 80 or above. The water should warm back up. Maybe not to the most comfortable level, but hopefully higher than 76, maybe up towards to 77 degrees. Well, I do expect to see people here tomorrow at the Julius M. Butch Chemka Pool. Goodbye.